Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am at Faulconbridge station on the Blue Mountains line. We have V46 departing for a Sydney service out of platform number 1. Correction, sorry, V15. Yeah, I saw V46 just before I got on V15, so that's why I said V46, sorry. Anyway, I'll just give you guys a little bit of a look at Faulconbridge station. This is facing towards Sydney. And now facing towards Katoomba and Lithgow. It is another windy day today, guys, so sorry if the wind gets in the way of the audio. Approaching platform 2, we have a Lithgow service. V12. Just like most of the stations on the Blue Mountains line, they still have the colour-coded station signs. The yellow line meaning Western. Just like if you were to go to Gosford, Gosford station has the red stripe. The red line meaning Northern. Sydney Central service arriving into platform 1, V35 being the set. Just the 4 cars. The next stop for V35 will be Springwood. It will then stop all stations to Emu Plains, then Penrith, Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield and Central Sydney Terminal. Katoomba service arriving into platform number 2. After Faulconbridge, this train will stop at Lyndon, then Woodford, Hazelbrook, Lawson, Bullaburra, Wentworth Falls, Lyra and Katoomba. The set is V5. Sydney service approaching platform number 1.
Central Sydney Terminal service approaching platform number 1. The set is V36.
V36 is the set. Very shortly approaching platform number 2, we'll have a Lithgow service which will stop all stations to Katoomba, then Medlow Bath, Blackheath, Mount Victoria, Bell, Zigzag and Lithgow. V38. Sydney service arriving into platform number 1. Their set is V46. Yes, this is V46, unlike what I said at the beginning of the vlog. This train will be all stations to Emu Plains, then Penrith, Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield and Central Sydney Terminal. Doors are now closing. Approaching platform 2, we have a Katoomba service. It's V15. Man, been here for a while. V15 is the train that I started the vlog with. It's been to Sydney. I'm now back here to Faulconbridge and now forming a service to Katoomba. But anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.